Beyond the lines of no man's land, time stands still. My voice is weak, but far away. I softly speak in silent words, unfolded knees. With silent words we call the night, to bring you sleep and dry your eyes, to bring you dreams and free your minds. When every hope has gone, we hold on. With silent words we'll ask the dawn to chase your fears when nights are alone. A million voices into one. When every hope has gone, we echo all night through with silent words. Oh, we are with you with every tear you cry. We'll comfort you, standing by your side. As one with you, you can find us deep in the silence, carried in the soft winds passing through. We'll be your shadow today and tomorrow, there to follow everything you do. إلهي خفف الآلام، من لسوريا سواك، من يحيي بسمة الحزين، من ينسي أمنة النسيم، من يمسح دمع اليتيم. أبكي بصمت وأنين عن شيخ شاب ويتيم، عنك يا